Don't miss this mega open house on this brand new Canton South listing. I'm Rich Motz with the Motz team with Cutler Real Estate. This is the first day on the market and the first day of showings for this brick ranch. It's open Saturday, February 12th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This brick ranch is located at 209 Carnwise Avenue Southwest, Canton, Ohio 44706 in the Canton South School District. Asking price is $184,900. You're gonna love this house. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and this huge 18 by 25 rec room. Living room, big kitchen with a dinette that leads to this large deck and big fenced-in backyard. Don't miss being the first one to see this brand new brick ranch the first day on the market. Go to www.motzNewListing.com to see more pictures, more details. Again, open house Saturday, February 12th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 209 Carnwise Avenue Southwest, Canton, Ohio 44706. So the average Canton South home price was up $20,334,000 in 2021 versus 2020. So how much is your home worth? Go to www.yourincreasedhomevalue.com to get your home value in minutes. And don't forget to come check out this brand new listing, the first day available for showings, Saturday, February 12th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, go to www.motzNewListing.com for more information on this property. Don't miss this. We'll have drawings for 2 arrangements of Valentine Day flowers and Valentine candy giveaways all day long at the open house. Contact Teresa Lawson at teresa@themotzteam.com or call her at 330-575-9969 to see this property or to get more information on it. We'll see you at the open house. Thanks.